thank you so much for coming out to our community partner fair today. It was such a hit. We love seeing so many staff come out. Our vendors were amazing, and we love seeing you all. So hope you had fun. We're gonna do our raffle prize, and we will start with our first prize. So I'll hand it over to Bree.
Thank you, Erica. Hi, everyone. So our first prize is going for a one-day guest voucher at the Student Recreation Center, and the winner is Geneva Amandor. Congratulations, Geneva.
Geneva.
And then we have a few of the 1-month guest vouchers from the Student Recreation Center. Our first prize for that is Katrina Preciado. Congratulations, Katrina.
Yay, Katrina.
And then we have another one for Eric Chong. Congratulations,
Yay,
Eric. And another one for Maria Keller. Congratulations. And Ikbak, you got another one for a one-day guest voucher. So congratulations,
Yay.
everyone.
Congratulations, guys. Our next prize is from, let's see here, IE Commuter. We have a super cool little basket with some goodies from IE Commuter. And this goes to Joseph Olivero. So congratulations, Joseph. Yay! Yay! And then our next prize, I feel like I need a drum roll, is from Wellness, this wonderful Fitbit, which I wish was mine. This is going to Brenda Montag. Yay!
I want that one.
Right?
Okay, so our next one is from Saga Works Inc. And it is, ooh, it looks like a really cool mug. It looks like an insulated mug. So congratulations
has a lid, too.
to Felix Garcia.
Yay,
Congratulations.
Felix. All right, we have an amazing basket from CBL, one of our premium vendors. And this one is going to Noah Jones. Look at all this cool swag. You got some sweatshirts, water bottles, t-shirts. I'm very jealous of you. Congratulations.
Okay, our next one goes, it looks like it is a reusable Starbucks coffee mug. And it goes to Bethany Hargraves. Congratulations.
Yay!
Sorry. Oh, and we have this wonderful Patagonia UC Riverside School of Medicine sweat zip up, and it's going to Francisco Penalazola. Congratulations.
Oh, we got another really cool prize here. It is a one-night stay at Courtyard by Marriott, and this one is going to Rosemary Terrell. Woohoo! Check that out.
We have another one for a $100 Visa gift card from CBE Office Solutions, and the winner is John Perez. Congratulations.
John. Next gift is from Altura Credit Union, and I will just open this bad boy up. You got a really cool mug with a lid and some cool swag in there, and this one's going to Edith Crawford Velasco. Congratulations, Edith. You know what? And I missed the best part. Amazon gift card! Yay, Edith! Woohoo!
And our next one is a gift certificate to Laughing Buddha Body Piercing, and the winner is Mariana Jimenez. Congratulations! Is from Grocery Outlet. It looks like it is a gift bag, and the winner is Deanna Humans. Congratulations!
Our next prize is a Starbucks gift card as well as a cool little lanyard holder. And this is from West America. And this is for Rocio Stern. Congratulations, Rocio. We have a few more of these. So we have another one going to Corey Greenook. Congratulations, Corey. You got your cool little Starbucks gift card. I promise it's in there with your lanyard. We also have one for Danielle Sai, as well as Wadette Morales. Congratulations, you guys.
Congratulations. Next, we have a Cheesecake Factory gift card, and this is going to Richard Watson. Congratulations.
All right, our next prize is coming from UCR Arts downtown. Again, that is UCR Arts, say it the correct way. And this is going to Talia Grayson. So we have this amazing little tote, as well as a cool little t-shirt. We got a mug in here, as well as a thermal cup. So congratulations.
And our next one is, I believe, another thermos mug. Ooh, and it's blue. That's a really pretty color. And the winner is Monica Hernandez.
Our next winner is Tom Thomas McBraun, and this is a gift from School of Business. We have all kinds of goodies in here. We have this amazing notebook, which I'm very jealous of, as well as some other cool swag, including a cool little wet dry towel, a nice thermal mug, a Gary Anderson School of Business work set, very cool, and a hat. Congratulations!
Alrighty, so our next prize is a Philips Sonicare toothbrush with a trinket capsule with Tic Tacs, and it looks like 2 journals and also a toothbrush. And the winner is Don Vibach.
Yay!
Congratulations!
Our next winner is Laura Riley. She gets this awesome thermal mug from UCR Sustainability. It's not a mug, it's a water bottle. Congratulations, Laura.
Congratulations. Our next one comes from LEAD, which is Leaders of Excellence and Distinction, and it is a fun little tote with a mystery box. Hold on one second.
Drum roll.
Ooh, another thermos, or I'm sorry, a
Nice.
water bottle.
Very cool.
And hand sanitizers.
And another surprise.
Ooh, I think it's a speaker.
Bluetooth speaker.
Super
Yay.
cool. And the winner is Selena Alhusam. Congratulations.
We have one awesome cooler donated by Guerrilla Marketing, and this one is going to Keegan Foster. Congratulations, Keegan. Yay. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming out to Community Partner Fair. We hope you enjoy your prizes. We hope you enjoyed the ice cream. We love seeing you, and thank you again, UCR staff, for all you do. Staff Assembly, we appreciate you. Take care, guys.